मैं अपने न्यू वीडियो के साथ जो गया चैप्टर 4 इलेक्टोरल पॉलिटिक्स electoral polls. Answer the following in one or two sentences, both capturing. Polling both in order to produce a result or particulate candidates. Advantage is called both capturing. Code of conduct. The code of conduct is a set of rules according to which the norms, rules, or proper practices of an individual party constituency. This distinct one and the residents of the districts who elect the legislative or official rigging. It is the type of fraud of a party to increase their voters and include stuffing of ballot boxes by a few persons using the voters of other. And then the MCQs. Election are held after the term of the Lok Sabha called general election. In how many constitution India were divided into Lok Sabha? Divided for Lok Sabha election 543. Constituencies called wards are made for the elections to municipal and panchayat bodies. Which of these are not a part of the districts and local bodies? Panchayat. Which is the minimum age required to constitute election in Lok Sabha? 25 years. And then the next page. Very short answer type. First question: when did the Lok Dal and BJP combine form the government in 1987? How many Lok Sabha constituencies? 543. Area wise, which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency? Ladakh Lok Sabha constituency largest constituency. Which is the electoral polls? It is the list of people who are eligible to vote. Area wise, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency for a country? Lakshadweep is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in our country. When government officers work in election duty they are under the control of election commission. What is by election? An election that choose a new member of parliament for a particular town or constituency. What is midterm election? Election held before the expiry of the full term of any house. And then the answer the following question is brief. What are the choices that voters make an election? The parties that would make policies and guide the government. They would choose the leader who is the best laws for people. Voters will also choose to prefer the political party on the basis of its previous performance. And the second question is, why is there province of reservation of seats in the legislature? Because such a weaker section may not stand a good chance to get the elected to the Lok Sabha and state legislative assembly, so seats are reserved for them. And third question, mention any three techniques of election campaign. Answer is by distributing the pamphlets that tells about their candidate election symbol. And then the next page, by speech of the leader. And third question, by going house to house and asking vote, called rallies. Discuss the importance of election in democracy. Election give people the rights to bring new party of power. Election make the citizen powerful. If they are unsatisfied by the works of the government, they can eliminate the party in next election too. Fifth question is, answer the following question in detail. First question: what are the demerits of political competition? Creates a sense of disunity. Political parties and leaders level allegation to each other. Political parties lead often use dirty tricks to win. Good people who wished to serve in the country does not enter the area due to some unhealthy person. For political leader, the biggest test is the election determines whether they are not able to work as the presidents of the voter. For leaders, it is more of their ability to understand people's concern that matters. And then you see, and then the third question is, how can you say that a very few election in the world have such wide ranking power of an election? So answer is because India follows democratic system as the year of election. Here the election commission is a freely found, and in other countries it is not happening. So the powers are more than in India election commission than others. There is a different type of election, different types of government that are organized by election commission. And then the fill-up. In Lok Sabha, 84 seats are reserved for scheduled castes and 47 seats are called scheduled tribes. Electoral rolls is commonly known as voter rolls. For the Lok Sabha election, the country is divided into 50 constituency. Party nomination is often called party ticket. So true false. India has the largest number of voters in the world. True. In India, losing party has had electoral verdict. False. Everyone in India, everyone above the age has right to vote. True. In India, election commission very powerful. True. And then so you see, दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।